Muthenya wa keri wa cira wa Ngabana Mwangaza bunge-inĩ ya Senate ahetwo mweke gwitetera iguru ria thitango mugwanja iria handeirwo ni MCA bunge-inĩ ya Meru, gatagati gacio ari kwaga uiguano na atongoria, uhuthiri mũru wa wabici na uitangi wa mbeca cia mũingĩ.
It has been said that the governor of Meru has been unable to work with any of the elected leaders, specifically members of county assembly. Is that your position?
It is not my position.
Is there any allegation that has been made for failure to account for the 78 million that was alluded to yesterday?
There is no such an allegation in this particular account. There is no actually an allegation of the amount that the governor is saying to have failed to account.
Erite bunge ino ya Senate ati kurumirira igeria ria mbere ria kumuhagura muthia-ini wa mwaka muthiru nio ire mweke guthondeka maundu maria meyumiririe cira-ini uyu wa mbere ari wiguano wake na MCA o hamwe na kugathika kigina kia ukuria wa wodi.
And I followed the advice of senators. We want to start down with the MCAs. We again sat and had a long, lengthy discussion with some other leaders, and from there we've been working together. Immediately after we left here, I facilitated ward development fund to every MCA to the tune of 10 million, and this year 15 million for every ward.
Ni atariithia uria atongoria aria athure kuma Meru marĩire njama na munini wake Isaac Mutuma ya kumucambia na kumunyarara ni gukorwo tu ni mutumia.
And they are praising him and warming him up to be the governor or take over the position of the governor of Meru. And that is exactly what has been happening to our members of parliament, including the senator or deputy senator of this house. They have started warming him up to be the governor and take charge because I'm just a woman before them.
Ehandite na kuiguithia bunge no ya Senate ati ndugamano iria ikoretwo kaunti-ini ya Meru ni uteti wa ucogeri kuma kuri thu ciake na itanya ria kumweheria wabici.
The honorable members of parliament and the deputy speaker of this honorable house is telling the public that I defeated men and they recruited so many young men for that purpose, and they have been holding rallies almost in all towns in Meru, doing the same over the weekends. Honorable Speaker, I want to say this is purely politics.
Ni rita ria keri ihinda-ini ria mwaka umwe kuma guthurwo gwake Ngabana Kawira Mwangaza ekorete hatika-ini ya gwitetera mbere ya Senate thutha wa kuhagurwo ni bunge ya kaunti ya Meru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.
It is paragraph 12